Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. It's Monday morning, we've got the day off today. We're currently making our way through Guadalajara. We're heading to our favourite little bar on the beach. We're going to go and get some breakfast. And then we're going to head up into the mountains. We're going to go up through the Port de Albufera. We're going to head to Hondon, up in the Hondon Valley. And we're going to go for a coffee at a little bar up there that we like. And then we're going to go for another little ride. See what the day brings, and you're all welcome to come along with us. I wonder if they're getting the town hall ready for the Moors and Christians. There's a big fiesta that takes part here in Guadalajara, 16th to the 27th of July I think it is. And they make the town hall into a fortress and make it look like a castle, and they reenact the battle in front of the town hall. Over the wet cobbles. Oh, look, they washed the cobbles. That was nice. It's the Parque Reina Sofia. Lots of peacocks. Some nice lakes in there with terrapins. Look, they're watering all the roundabouts. So you give it a week or two and you won't be able to park at all down in Guadalajara. It'll be so full of tourists.
So here we are on the beach, 10 to 9 in the morning, and already getting busy. Clean the beaches every morning with a tractor. Not actually supposed to be on the beach till after 9 o'clock in the morning.
That was a nice breakfast on the beach. It's nice and sunny. It's 29 degrees already. It's 9:30. Look out for the water on the roundabouts. So we'll just make our way out of Guadalajara, and then we'll head out into the Campo, through to Albufera, and then up over the Port de Albufera, drop down into the Hondon Valley. And we're going to go to a little place called 28, which is 28 in Spanish. Oh, the fountain looks nice. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but those mountains up there, that's where we're headed. Up into the Hondon Valley. Welcome to San Isidro. Quite busy today. It's normally a sleepy little village, this one. I think it's going to be an El Scorchio one today. So it's just before 10 o'clock and it's 29 degrees. And we've got our summer riding gear on. We've got our mesh jackets, Kevlar jeans, lightweight gloves. So we've got a bit of a breeze coming through. You see a lot of people on motorbikes this time of year just wearing shorts and sometimes just a helmet, flip-flops. But it's got a law change coming in. I think it's the 1st of October. So from the 1st of October all motorcyclists have to wear a helmet, they have to wear gloves, and they have to wear closed shoes. They're not allowed to wear sandals or flip-flops on motorbikes. So this is a CV873. The road that takes up into Hondon, into the Hondon Valley. It's a nice twisty little road, got some nice views coming up. go, Porta Albertera, 495 metres above sea level. And this is the Hondon Valley. Hondon de los Frailes, this is where we're stopping for a coffee. To park in their little car park, they don't like you parking outside anymore. If there's a space somewhere at the end there. So welcome to Hondon de los Frailes, bar 28. Yeah. Right, as a welcome little refreshment stop. It's 31 degrees now, just before 11 o'clock. I'm going to go for a little ride through the Hondon Valley. We're going to go down to the next Hondon village, which is Hondon de las Nieves. Go, Hondon de las Nieves. Yeah, Bodega Thurda. It's an old one, isn't it? 1895. 1885. 32 degrees now. It's warming up. We've got another heat wave coming. It's going to get up to 39, maybe 40 degrees later in the week. So we'll fill up here. So go away from the coast, and the petrol's a lot cheaper. They seem to get ripped off down on the coast. Okay, so that's fueled up. Yeah, 10 cents a litre cheaper than down on the coast. It's a nice view of the valley, isn't it? Up ahead. Well, we've swapped 2 wheels for 4 wheels, and we're going down to the beach. We're going to see if we can cool down, go for a swim. Got a little picnic with us, so have a picnic on the beach. It's 40 degrees at home, but down here with the sea breeze it's a bit cooler. I think it's got to 37. Too shabby, is it? It's a nice spot for a picnic. The beach is fairly quiet as well. Over in the distance, that's Santa Pola. This is the Bay of Santa Pola. We've got these little houses along the beach. So nice afternoon down on the beach, had a nice swim, been to the supermarket. We've got football on tonight, Spain versus Portugal in the World Cup. We're going to have pizza, so it's time to make tomato sauce, and then I'll make the pizza dough. Well, pizza's made, it's in the oven. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today on our little ride and our little day on the beach. Next week we've got something a little different planned. We're going to ride up into the mountains just above Alicante. We're going to go to a little popular bikers bar where we're going to do a review of the restaurant, review the road. So please join us next week. We'll see you then.